In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set your Shopify navigation. We'll start right inside your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're logged in, look over to the menu on the left-hand side and find the option called Content. Click on that and you'll see a few more options appear underneath. From there, click on Menus. This is where all your navigation menus live. By default, you'll usually see a main menu and a footer menu already created for you. You can choose to edit one of these existing menus if that makes sense for your store, or if you prefer to build something completely new, click the Create Menu button at the top right of the list. Inside the menu editor, you can first change the name of the menu if you want, for example, to something like Main Navigation or Header Menu, just so it's clear what it's used for. Below that, you'll see the list of menu items. To add a new one, click Add Menu Item. Two fields will appear, one called Name or Label and another called Link. In the label field, type what you want customers to see, such as Shop, then click into the link field. A drop-down will appear with different options like products, collections, pages, and more. You can choose something like products and then all products, or you can manually paste in a URL if you already have one. If you want to change the order of your menu items, look for the drag handle on the left side of each item, usually shown as two vertical dots or lines. Click and hold that, then drag the item up or down to rearrange and release it where you want it to sit. To create a nested menu or a drop-down, use that same drag handle. Click and drag the menu item you want to nest so that it sits under and slightly to the right of the item you want it to live under. When you see a blue indented line appear, release it. That tells Shopify this item should appear as a submenu. If you change your mind and want to remove the nesting, drag the item down and slightly back to the left until the blue line lines up with your main items again, then release. When you're happy with the structure, don't forget to click Save near the top of the page. Next, let's connect this menu to your online store so it actually shows up on your site. Back in the left-hand panel of your Shopify admin, find Online Store and click it. This takes you to your theme library, where you'll see your current theme at the top. On the right side of that theme, click Customize or Edit Theme, depending on what you see. This opens the theme editor. On the left side of this editor, you'll see a list of sections. Find the header section, then click the small arrow next to it to expand the blocks underneath. Look for the block that controls your main menu, often just called Menu or Navigation, and click it to open its settings. At the top of these settings, you'll see a field labeled Menu. Click Select and choose the menu you just created or edited from the list. As soon as you select it, look at the preview on the right side of the screen, and you should see your updated navigation appearing in the header area. Take a moment to check that everything looks right: the labels, the order, and any drop-downs. If you need to tweak something, you can jump back to the menus area, adjust, save, and then refresh the theme editor. Once you're satisfied with how your navigation looks and works, click Save in the top right corner of the theme editor. Your new Shopify navigation is now live for your customers to use.